Welcome to AfriKonekta, connecting Africa. Book affordable bus ticket online today. Choose which bus you want. There is Chika's bus services, FM, LG Travelers, Rikili bus services. We have Post Bus, we have Ready Bomber, plus many more buses. Simply download AfriKonekta app and follow the following procedures as we show how to book a ticket online, and then you prepare for your journey on any day that you have booked. Simply click on the AfriKonekta app, and then from there it will give you these options. Travel from, is it Lusaka? Then travel to, is it Livingston? Is it Chingola? Is it FM, Likili, BSM? There you go. Book now on your bus which you feel it is good and comfortable. Then from there you continue with selecting. You choose which seat you want. You can choose whether seat number 70, seat number 3, seat number 4. You choose which one you want, then you submit. Preparation for payment, you select or you proceed to pay. Then after all those, there are options that you can choose. Is it Zamtel Money? Is it MTN? Airtel, and phone number for Airtel Money, and then from there you can proceed to pay. Pay now. After all those things, you are good to go. You have your ticket, and then there we go. The ticket has been bought. In preparation for the journey on Tuesday, AfriKonekta, reducing your expenses. Please book online today and reduce on expenses, and also save your time.